Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clear a massive amount of lag and files and stuff you don't need off your computer. Just really clean out your computer and get it running nice and fast again. If it's going slow, this could definitely fix it. So first thing you want to go and do is go to the ccleaner.com/download page, and you're just going to go ahead and click on Professional Trial, and that's going to immediately prompt us with an exe file, which we can go ahead and save to the desktop. By default, it will try and save to downloads, but I've just gone and changed it so that it saves to desktop right there. And that's pretty much all that we need to do for now in terms of downloads. As you can see, it's finished downloading. Then we're going to get this little exe file. We would just double click on this exe file, and it's going to say, do you want this app to make changes to your device? And it'll go ahead and start unpacking. I can't see it for some reason there. Anyway, we've got a new thing. It's just finished installing. Here we go. And we'll get this little install window. I've already installed it myself, so there's not really any point, but I can click it anyway again. And it will go ahead and install ccleaner. And then we can go ahead and click Run ccleaner. And it'll give us a little pop-up window, but we do not need that. We're going to have this. And we can go ahead and click Start My Trial. And we're going to go ahead and get ccleaner. And we can go straight into Custom Clean. And then we can go ahead and just click Run Cleaner. And you click Continue. I've already done it just before, and I'm pretty annoyed actually that I just installed this and it closed my ccleaner before over there and got rid of it. But that's okay, because I had just cleared about 58 gigabytes of junk from trash and from temp files and stuff like that. And it's going to want to go ahead and close all sort of applications that you're running while it's cleaning them. We're probably not going to get very much of a clean right here, just because, yeah, we only got 112 megabytes because we already did a clean just before we got this professional trial here. And the trial version is free, and I believe you can just get like the regular version completely for free. I'm just going to go ahead and close that right there. If we just bring up another browser window here and go to ccleaner download, you don't have to get the trial for the professional version. You can just get the free trial. As you can see, if we go to this link here, ccleaner.com/ccleaner, or ccleaner.com/ccleaner/download, we can go ahead and click the free trial download here, and that'll give us the download for the free version, not the professional version, which is probably the one that you're going to want to use, because the professional version doesn't really give you that many advantages over the other one. As you can see, we should have another file here. I'm just going to have to go into downloads because it did download my downloads that time. And I'm just going to go ahead and replace the file in the destination here because we had two of them on here. We only need one. And we can go ahead and run the ccleaner for the free trial. I believe this is just the trial of the free version, not the professional version. And it should go ahead and give us this little install window. We can go ahead and hit install, and it should just give us a regular ccleaner, I'm hoping here. Hopefully I haven't fudged it. Oh no, it's given us a trial. Anyway, this is a trial version. You can pay for the version, but it used to be free. I think you can still just use it for free anyway. Anyway, that's how you can, for free, definitely make your computer run a lot faster if it's going slow. Definitely would recommend. They have made a few updates. I see with the ccleaner Professional Edition, they're really pushing the Buy Pro over here. And they've got a new Your Trial tab, but I'm pretty sure you can just infinitely use the custom clean, which is all you really need. You don't need to use health check or performance optimize or anything. Just custom clean is all you need to really bring your PC back up to speed if it's going super slow. And there's a ton of options in here of what you can and cannot clean. Well, not can and cannot, but what you want to clean. So for example, we could select wipe free space, but it will give us a warning, and I would not advise using wipe free space all the time. That will wipe a ton of extra stuff that you don't need off your computer, but it's going to take a lot longer. Also, Windows downloads and stuff, you can wipe all the stuff from your downloads folder and all that, I think is one of the options. And by default, it won't wipe saved passwords or autocomplete form history, but you can tick that if you want to wipe it all. I personally like to keep it. And also, it's going to give you a list of applications that you've got and what stuff in particular you want to clear off of there. Anyway, that's how you make your computer stop being slow, basically. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.